Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix a mouse double clicking on single click. So if you want to, for example, click something on your PC, on your desktop, and it double clicks and opens the app, I will show you how you can fix it here. First thing what you need to do here, you need to open up Device Manager. On Device Manager, you need to look for mice and other pointing devices. And here you will see basically your mouse or a HYD compliant mouse, maybe multiple tasks. So what you need to do here is to right click and then uninstall the device and do with all of them. And once you do so, then we need to unplug your mouse. If you're using cable, unplug it again. If you're using Bluetooth mouse, you just need to unplug and plug in a dongle, and then it should fix your problem. But if it's not the case, if the problem not fixed, I have more solutions for you. First of all, open up settings. Then you need to go to a Bluetooth and devices. Then scroll down until you see, as you can see, it should be devices and other things like mouse. Then you need to select a additional mouse settings. Then here on the buttons, make sure it's set to a 1/4. And then on pointers, make sure pointer options, make sure enhanced pointer precision is turned off and apply the changes here. Next thing what you need to do here is to go to a file explorer, and then you need to go to a press on three dots here, go to options, and then select single click to open an item. Press OK and look if the problem persists. And if it's not helping, then try to spam click your right and left button. Maybe you have some debris on your mice. Other thing that you can do here, I have the video here, so I'll show you in a second. What you need to do here is to just tap on your hand like this, and maybe debris fall off of your buttons here. Maybe the debris is stuck, and so you will basically remove the debris of the buttons and it should work. So do this here, and also spam click the buttons right and left. Of course, do not overpower them, just firmly do that so you will not break your mouse. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like.